Hey, what's going on? Welcome to EZ Cantonese. Today's episode, we're going to learn a bit about the Dragon Boat Festival. Let's check it out. Hey, before we start, make sure you share this channel or this video with one of your friends. Thanks. Alright, so the Dragon Boat Festival happens on the 5th month and 5th day of the lunar calendar. So in our regular Western calendar, it usually happens in the month of May or June. Dragon Boat Festival, of course, in Cantonese, it's called Dun Mzi. Dun Mzi. So there are two most common things that usually happens during a Dragon Boat Festival. The first is eating and giving sticky rice and rice dumplings. And if you're really talented, you make these sticky rice yourself. The Dragon Boat Festival sticky rice in Cantonese is called zhong. And this is not to be confused with the sticky rice that you usually get during dim sum. That would be lo mai gai. In Hong Kong, there's two types of sticky rice during Dragon Boat Festival. The first one is ham yok zhong. Ham yok zhong is usually more salty. It has pork belly, sausage, and egg yolk. The second type of sticky rice during Dragon Boat Festival is gan sui zhong, which is a sweeter version of the sticky rice. So there might be a few things you can say with the sticky rice. You can say, let's eat sticky rice, which is sik zhong. Or you can say to someone, hey, let's eat sticky rice together, which would be yat cai sik zhong. Yat cai sik zhong. So one more time, eating sticky rice, sik zhong. Let's eat sticky rice together, yat cai sik zhong. Alright, so the second thing that usually happens during Dragon Boat Festival is, of course, dragon boat races, which is pa long zhao in Cantonese. The dragon boat race, pa long zhao, could happen in several places worldwide during Dragon Boat Festival. The amount of people on each boat could range from 8 to 10 people on a small boat and 18 to 20 people on a big boat. And the boat is a very long boat and it resembles, that's right, you guessed it, a dragon. And the actual length of the race varies. It could range from hundreds of meters up to thousands of meters. So if you ever enter a dragon boat race, make sure you're in great shape, you practice lots, and make sure you have great endurance. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this episode of EZ Cantonese. Make sure you enjoy Dragon Boat Fest this year. Dun Mzi. And hey, make sure you eat a lot of zhong, sik zhong, and if you ever see me, let's yat cai sik zhong, okay? Make sure you subscribe and like this video. See you guys next time. Bye. So one thing I didn't mention is that we don't say Happy Dragon Boat Festival, okay? We don't say Dun Ji Fai Lo. Don't say that. When I was a kid, I used to think Dun Ji, the middle character, was the number 5, but it's not. Good thing I checked.